Trafalgar Square, this southwestern corner that has been sanded to make slightly easier the passage of this huge heavy coach as it comes round the bend and slightly down the hill. And it's a fascinating mix of a soundtrack here, which I'm sure you can hear coming through loud and clear on our coverage at the moment, because the band, the 35-piece band, has struck up with the national anthem once again. The protesters are here in Trafalgar Square at the top of Northumberland Avenue as expected. Easy to spot, decked out in bright yellow. Their banners are up and they've been belting out their chants. But you can also hear the cheers of the crowd over the top of that. And there's been some booing as well, and those have been the boos of the crowds over the chants of the protesters. So it is a multicoloured mix of opinion writ large in Trafalgar Square, and there you can hear an enormous roar as that hugely impressive state coach makes the gentle turn and meanders its way slowly but surely down the puddle-strewn avenue of Whitehall. An incredible sight all the way down to Big Ben in the distance. So many things to pick out with the eye here in terms of the red, white and blue. The pavements are packed either side, and I can see top hats, inflatable crowns, bowler hats, dealie boppers as well, which have been one of my favourites in terms of the paraphernalia this afternoon as the mounted regiments continue to turn and rumble past me.